Welcome back to Hat Workshop, and we're back after a few months of not making videos. So now I'm basically back and up and running. So I just took a vacation on YouTube. So today's project is gonna be the squirrel picnic table again. So you can see that it's really worn down and been used. So we're gonna clean that all up because the residue from all the fruits that we left on here and the squirrels going around here, it's pretty dirty. So we're just gonna sand it all off the new layer, and we're also gonna add extra features, which is the point of today's video. So first, we're gonna add a barbecue pit in the center, like a human's picnic table. So we're gonna put some fruits and nuts there if they would eat nuts, but they're probably gonna eat the fruits. And we're also gonna add some extra little details that are gonna just look cool on this picnic table. But most of all, we're just gonna try to make it look good again, because it's been out in the sun and in the rain for so long that it basically changed color. So let's get started. So the refurbished picnic table looks quite good, not gonna lie, and the weathering that it has received from being out there for quite a while also gives it a nice rustic touch. So I really like that, and as you can see, we have this barbecue pit kind of thing here. So it's not gonna be for a barbecue, but we're gonna be testing in this video what the squirrels like to eat. So usually we feed them bananas, which they always eat, but they kind of prefer the super ripe banana kind more, and usually we just tied it to the table instead of this box. In the video today though, we're going to be testing corn. This is white corn, so it looks a bit different, but it will be the same. So corn, and also cucumber, because I searched that up and they might like it, and also these two small items, cranberries and nuts. So that's also the point of the bin, so that we can just pour it in and it won't scatter everywhere, because the squirrels, like, they know how to sit and eat very nice. So now we're just gonna go test them out one by one each day, because the squirrels know that we're gonna bring food out, and we're gonna see which food they like the best. Let's go. We're also gonna be adding an extra touch of this umbrella, which I 3D printed earlier. It's probably gonna break right away when they push it off the table, but it looks good for now. So firstly, we put the banana, and they literally came for it that night after it stopped raining. And then we put the corn, which they rejected, and then we put the cucumber next, which they also rejected. Then we put a banana next to it because they're not eating anything else, and they literally came for the banana. So basically, our squirrels are very picky, and now we know that all they like is bananas, even if they're gonna starve to death without a banana. So here are some pictures of squirrels that you may want to see. They're very cute, but some of them look like rats. So no outro for today, but we have a really special project, which is the squirrel picnics tables, but the version 1, and we're going to be selling them on my Instagram page at Hat Workshop. So if you want one, go check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time at Hat Workshop.